Why are we still using laptops when today's tablet can get the job done for most of us? The processing power of today's tablet can match and in most cases exceed a lot of laptops on the market today. The most basic tablet with a keyboard accessory can convert a tablet into a laptop, support printers, mouse, and a monitor for dual screen, and other external devices. Speaking of the screen size, tablets from Apple and Samsung are getting to the size to replace a laptop. They have pro-class tablets over 12 inches to 14 inches plus in screen size, and that's bigger than an Apple 13-inch MacBook. A lot of desktop class software can easily run on tablets. Productivity apps like Microsoft Office, music creation apps, photo editing apps, video editing apps, and more. So the limit is not in the software department in most cases, but there still are a few. Portability is a big plus. A tablet is much lighter and easier to lug around, and with an on-screen keyboard, you don't have to attach the external keyboard at all times. Your online meetings are much easier. You can snap a picture with ease with the built-in camera. And another plus, most tablets will fast charge in an hour or so, something you can even do with a portable power pack versus a laptop that takes much longer for a full charge. Apple and Samsung have desktop class software built into their tablets. Once you attach the keyboard to automatically convert it into that mode, with the user doing nothing extra to make them feel like they're using a laptop and not a tablet. When they're done, detach the keyboard and they're back to using their tablet. Plus you have the option to use a stylus to write, do markups, and various other tricks, depending on the manufacturer. With the App Store, you have instant access to apps without searching all over the internet to find what you need. With the ability to touch and swipe, which all tablet comes standard equipped, you have more flexibility. Most likely you have to pay more for a laptop to have touch capability, and the ergonomic of touching a laptop screen at most angles can end up causing carpal tunnel syndrome. But, and there's always a but, even though the tablets are more powerful to replace most laptops, power user needs are still not being satisfied to make that leap. One reason, the software that they need is still not available on the tablet, and the internal storage is still not enough on some tablets. Although Samsung offers expandable storage with an SD slot, it's still limited to 1 terabyte, and Apple don't offer an expandable storage slot. iCloud is the best you're gonna get. For me personally, I need the portability of a tablet and the power of the laptop to run my pro level software. I mainly use the tablet when I'm traveling on the road and a laptop when I get to my destination. Most people can easily get what they need to get done with a tablet without the need for an attached keyboard, but at least you have the option if needed. I believe that one day future tablets will make the laptop as we know it a thing of the past, because the concrete foundation, which is more powerful CPU, more powerful GPU, and larger screen size, has already been poured and waiting to dry. So the rest, which is all the apps to be converted, can make the process complete. Here's a bonus. You don't have to put your tablet away while the plane is taking off or landing like you have to do with a laptop.